Hi friends, it's Mrs. Battles. It's so awesome to see you today. I want to show you how to play a math game at home. It's called Roll and Add. And to play this game, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need some dice. You're going to need something to write with, and I'm going to include the game board in the link in the description in the video. You don't need it to play, but if you can, it's an awesome resource to play the game. You could make your own game board at home, though. And you're going to need something to use as counters, something that you have at home. So, for instance, I have a ton of cat treats, so I'm going to be using cat treats today as my counters. That's what I have a lot of. Maybe you have some dried beans or blocks, anything you want to use as something to count with, okay? So today we're going to play Roll and Add, and I'm going to show you how to play. When you play, you can play against another person or just by yourself. And I will go over the rules about how do you win if you're playing against someone else. Sound good? All right, here's how you play. I have in front of me my blank sheet of paper because I'm just going to show you how to play if you don't have anything at home and you can't print out my paper. You're going to need 2 playing dice and something to count with, like I have my cat treats here. I got to keep these away from my kitties, otherwise they will eat them all. So today how you play is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to roll your dice. Now remember, we roll gently, right? And tip your hand gently. We don't throw the dice, otherwise they're going to get lost and maybe hurt somebody. So gently roll. Look at what I got. I have how many here and how many here? That's right. I rolled 3 and a 5. So today I'm going to write 3 plus 5. But we are awesome mathematicians and we are going to learn and work on a different way of writing our addition. We have learned how to write our addition sentences like this. Here is 3 plus 5, like what we're used to writing. Today, though, we are going to write our addition sentence vertically, which means one on top and one on bottom, okay? We're going to practice that. So I'm going to write 3 plus 5, just like this. Now, one strategy we could do when we add is draw this out. We could draw our 3 dots, or I could look at them there, and my 5 dots here, and I could count them like that. But today we're going to use counters, so I'm going to count out 3 kitty treats. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to count out 5 more kitty treats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. Now, because we are adding, I need to count them all up. I know I have 5 here, and I can count on to the 3. So imagine we have 5. Put them in your hand. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you need to, you can count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my number is 8. Awesome, friends. All right, that was my first one. My job is to do this 3 times, okay? So if I had a buddy right now, my buddy would roll, and they would do the exact same thing. And I don't just sit there and hang out while they do it. I help them, and they make sure they work on their addition, and it's correct. So I help my buddy as I play. All right, so that was my first one. Next, I am going to roll again, alrighty? I'm actually going to keep my 8 that I added here down here so I remember how many I had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. I'm going to keep my 8 cat treats there. All right, now I'm going to roll again. Now, if my buddy's turn, I would use my buddy's. I would have my buddy roll now, but it's just me, so I'm going to roll again. All right, friends, look what I got. I got a 6 and a 1. So we are going to write 6 plus 1. I'm going to write it like this. 6 plus 1 equals, now you can copy me. We can play this game together. So go ahead and write this down too. 6 plus 1. So now I'm going to get 6 cat treats and then 1 more cat treat. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 1 more. Now, if I needed to, I could count all of these up. But, awesome mathematicians, I want you to think right now, if I have 6, what's one more? What comes right after 6? 6, then 7. You got it, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Perfect. I'm going to put all of my cat treats, my 7 cat treats, down here. Awesome. All right, I'm going to roll one more time. Ooh, I got doubles. I have 4 plus 4. I have 2 4s. When you have 2 of the same number, it's called doubles. So let's write that down. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Let's get my handy dandy cat treats out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, friends, let's add them up. I could count them all, but I also know I have 4 here. Uh-oh, we have a kitty incoming. She smells the treats. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know this is 4. Let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Let's write that down while I block the incoming kitty. All right, friends, so we have 8 as our answer here. That's called the sum. When you add some numbers together, the answer is the sum. The sum is 8 in this one. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then we have 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 is a sum. See, we have a kitty incoming. We got to be careful. And 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, so now if you're playing against a buddy, you figure out who's the winner by who has the most counters at the very bottom. So I have 8 plus 7 plus 8. And my buddy would count all of their answers and all their counters to see who has more. Let's count though. Now I know this is 8. Let's count on. So 8, what comes out after 8? 8, then 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Comes after 15? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So I have a total of 23. And you can write down 23 on your paper right now. How would we write down 23? Look, we have a kitty. Nala. She loves them. 23, we would write it with a 2. And then see, she's after him. Miss Battles needs to put this away, otherwise she is going to be a bit chubby. That's enough, Nala. Look at her go. Let's write 23. Excuse me. Thank you. A 2, 20, and 3. So my final number was 23. I had 23 cat treats on the table that Nala was going after. If I was playing against a buddy, whoever had the greater number would be the winner. And remember, when we have a winner, we say, high five, good game. Will you play again with me? Awesome. All right, friends, I will talk to you soon. Keep working hard, keep being awesome, and have a great day.